What is going up, guys? It's your boy NX9 here. So today I thought it'd be interesting to try out the Shotgun 8s. Now I have bought them, and I have them at 2-star. I haven't really used them, so that could be interesting. And honestly, I do remember having a shotgun implant for range. But I think I might have scrapped that. And, well, I just hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe. So, oh, and by the way, join my clan. That's the ID. That's the ID there, so, pretty good clan. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so, I don't really remember using the shotguns. All I know is they're, like, people love to put them on Puma. I don't know why, but I will put them on Puma. After this match, just want to try a few new mechs. Like what they'd be good at, and this is no, it's an error. No, bad. So I died straight away. Cool. Okay, so the last battle was horrible. So as you can see here, I've only limited it to one mech, and so we're going to be trying the Zephyr. I don't know how good this might be or bad. All I know is that Zephyr is really good with the disc launchers, but I'm not going to use them. So we're just gonna like join a match and hopefully we won't die. Okay. Surprisingly, we got the same map. And what would work better? No, that's slow. That's very slow. Look, I found a Juggernaut. I can't. Oh no. I'm already downhill. And if I go here and that actually does surprisingly good damage. I'm not going to challenge you. I know that you will honestly destroy me. So who would be easier to kill? Why do they only go for me? No, thank you. I do not want to be dead. This is bad. This is so bad. No. No. Oh. Okay. Okay. So now we have the Puma. Yeah, the Puma here. Don't think it's gonna like hold up very well. Armor is great. It is so great. I'm just kidding, the armor is actually the most worst armor I've ever seen. The Shadow. The Shadow has more health. The Shadow. Why? Honestly, let's just get into this. Okay. See, I joined into a random game and look. Look at me. Look. There's a Puma with the shotgun 8. Why? But why do they pick the Puma? The Zephyr is actually better. I'm going to put that there. Because I have no right to be doing this. This is my strat. Hide in a corner. No. I'm definitely not worried that I might die. I'm 100% not worried. So far, this is actually holding up. I don't know why. That's bad. I have the overheat effect. This is bad. And I am not in a state. Why did it start lagging? No. Honestly, that held up surprisingly good. Like, surprisingly good. I don't know how, but it actually held up. So, okay. Okay. I'm going to be doing the Guardian. Honestly, let's see how it holds up. Okay. So, game.
Go ask Dad if he...
Okay, sorry about that dilemma. I'm sorry if there was a cut in the video, if it kind of doesn't make sense. So what happened is, somehow it just automatically paused, so I played the game. And then I remembered that my recording was turned off. So yeah. Back to the video. That me asking a dumb question. Is the shotgun axe actually good? So far, my thought, somehow they've actually held up. It doesn't do like disc launcher damage, but it did do well. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm back here, and I have a few more combos to do. We're gonna do air arachnos. We're gonna give the Paragon another go. We're probably going to test out like the shotgun 4 and 8 on like Ares, and yeah, if this gets 5 likes, I will do a part 2. And if you comment down below what other games you want. Honestly, I'm thinking about doing Roblox, just some Roblox. Doesn't have to be like every day posting about Roblox. No, it's just gonna be like if you want a Roblox video, I will do one. So make sure you leave a like and comment and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.